Greetings, everybody. This is a short story where we talk about phrasal verbs. So we use phrasal verbs in this short story. It helps you use these phrasal verbs in your daily activities and the way you talk on a daily basis. So if it helps, it helps. If it doesn't help, at least you can highlight the major verbs here and phrasal verbs that are used in this kind of context. So let's get started. I want you just to follow with me reading this short story. It's about phrasal verbs. Remember that. So when I set off for work this morning, my car broke down. So I ended up taking the bus. As soon as I got off, I bumped into an old schoolmate, Mark. While we were talking, he brought up something I had already found out from some mutual friends, that he had come into some money and had set up his own business. He told me that there was a lot to sort out and offered to take me on, but I turned him down straight away. When I clocked in, my boss had a go at me, telling me off in front of everyone. When I got over the initial shock, I told her I'd make up for being late, but it turned out that she had blown up over a deal that had fallen through. After a client of mine had pulled out of a contract, she told me that I wouldn't get away with it, that I'd let everyone down, and just went on and on. Eventually, I ran out of patience and answered back. I said I was not going to put up with it anymore, and if she wanted to lay me off, she should go ahead. Anyway, to cut a long story short, I stormed out, phoned Mark's secretary, who put me through to him. I told Mark I'd like to take him up on his offer. So in the end, everything has worked out perfectly.